I spent $20,000 in 3 months building my first software product in 2024. Right now, in July 2026, I built a more powerful MVP over a single weekend for exactly $0. If you are still waiting for a developer to get back to you, while your competitors are launching daily, you are falling behind in what McKinsey estimates as a $2.6 to $4.4 trillion AI productivity shift. The 2025 approach to remote work was about finding all-in-one apps, but we've since moved into the era of building our own proprietary systems. Hostinger recently named Bubble one of the 8 best no-code SaaS builders for 2026, specifically because it allows for full database control without writing a single line of code. This is critical because a recent Gallup survey found that roughly half of employed people with a bachelor's degree or higher are now working from home. And the ones who win are the ones who own their tech stack. Instead of spending your 7.6-hour workday inside someone else's software, you can now build a tool that solves your specific niche problem. We are moving from buying and hoping to actual agentic execution. The secret to building a SaaS in 48 hours is treating AI as your co-intelligence and coach. I use Claude 3.5 for the heavy lifting of the app architecture because of its massive 200,000 token context window. Step 1. Upload your business plan and target user personas to a Claude project. Step 2. Ask Claude to generate a database schema for Bubble, including all linked records for users, tasks, and billing. Step 3. Use the system prompt to instruct the AI to act as a senior full-stack architect with a focus on deep work performance. By using this harness engineering approach, you ensure your database is built for scale from day one, not just for a hobby project. In 2025, you would have spent days pushing pixels in a design tool, but that approach is already obsolete. Right now, in 2026, we use natural product experiences, where the interface is secondary to the logic. 1. Use a tool like Gamma to generate your initial dashboard wireframes in 30 seconds. 2. Drag and drop those elements into Bubble's visual editor. 3. Use DALL-E 3 inside ChatGPT to create custom icons and brand assets for $0. McKinsey research shows that generative AI has the potential to automate 60 to 70% of these individual design activities, so don't get bogged down in the shallow work of choosing fonts. Your SaaS isn't just a database, it needs to think. We use Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, to give our app specialized knowledge. I connect my Bubble app to a custom agent that searches through specific document libraries using the Perplexity API. This eliminates the search tax where workers spend 1/5 of their time just hunting for information. By building this into your SaaS, you are providing what experts call virtual expertise to your future users. A joint MIT and BCG study on generative AI found this level of assistance can boost productivity by 14% on average. And for your novice users, it could be as high as 34%. To keep our costs at $0 for the MVP, we need to be smart about how our tools talk to each other. While Zapier is the easiest to learn, I recommend using N8N, or Make for complex iterative loops. Step 1. Set up an N8N webhook to trigger when a user signs up in Bubble. Step 2. Use the script to call a Claude-powered onboarding loop. Step 3. Push a personalized project plan back into the user's dashboard. This agentic operation is how you run a global service with 0 human support staff. By 2027, every high-performing remote team will be using these natural handoffs between AI agents instead of manual data entry. We have to be realistic about the productivity frontier. The average employed person is still working 7.6 hours a day, but most of that is shallow work like email and status updates. By building your own SaaS on Bubble, you are automating the bulk of those shallow work activities. This isn't just a hobby. It's a way to reclaim your life for deep work, the high-value strategy that AI can't do yet. As of July 2026, the reliability gap means models still fail 1 in 5 complex logic tasks, so you must remain the architect in the loop. You are no longer a worker. You are a system designer in a new productivity economy. You just learned the July 2026 blueprint for building a $0 SaaS MVP in a single weekend. This is the difference between having an idea and owning an asset. Next week, I'm breaking down the N8N custom script that cut my client onboarding from 3 hours to exactly 0. Subscribe so you don't miss that build, and I'll see you in the next one.